Hi, this is Chef Kaz. Today we're going to be making a low sodium and low fat beef gravy. Everybody loves gravy, but I'm going to show you how to make it nutritional and high performance. So you want to start with some bones. We're going to be doing a beef stock, so you want to use beef bones. I like to use the short rib bones from my braised short ribs, and just take those bones and reserve them after you take the meat off the ribs. What you can see that we're doing here is just slowly simmering all the bones, as well as some mushroom stems, any other things that are going to add flavor to your stock. Some carrots, celery, onions, all mirepoix you can add into here as well, and just let it cook over time. Pull out all the flavor from those components, but especially the bones because there's so much flavor locked in them. After you've got your stock, take that out, strain it, and just start cooking it slowly over time, reducing it. Actually, you can have it on high heat here, lid uncovered, and then let the juices all coagulate. Let the gravy condense and reduce. When you've got that nice rich color in your broth, add in some onions and garlic. The reason we're doing this is a low fat and low sodium gravy. We need to get the flavor components from other areas, so we're going to be using these aromatics to really build some nice flavor. After that, you've got your 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. You're going to mix these together to form a slurry and pour these right into the gravy. Whisk continuously over high heat until you develop what's called a nappe consistency. This is a thin consistency on the back of a spoon that it will coat the back of a spoon. This is going to be perfect for pouring on top of your roast or any other meat item that you'd like to use it on. Continue to whisk. When it's at that nice nappe, pour it right in your gravy boat. We're going to finish it with some rosemary, thyme, oregano, some other fresh dried herbs. You can use some red chili flakes, whatever really is going to make the nice colors pop, and then pour it right onto whatever item you would like.